Hello everyone. When you work with multiple people, when you work in a team and you work with multiple people, it's very vital that you know your team members' availability so that you can plan better, and the team members also have to know your availability so that they can, know better. So if you are using Google Workspace in your company, it's the you can make use of the Google Calendar. So you are going to mark yourself absent in your personal calendar, and that information is visible in certain tools like Gmail and chat. But the thing is, people have to look inside your calendar in order to see that information. To solve this issue, what people do is, and some people have a shared calendar. They tell people to log their uh, out of office events so that everyone in the team knows. And some people also use spreadsheets, and they tell people to enter their leave plans in a spreadsheet. But both of the problem with both of these approaches is you have already marked yourself as absent for a day, and you have to do it in another place like calendar or the spreadsheet. And if you work with multiple teams, you might have to do it in multiple different calendars or multiple different spreadsheets. So to solve this issue, what I have done is I have developed a Google Calendar plugin or an add-on that syncs your out of office events from your personal calendar to your team calendar. And I will link the link to the plugin in the link below this video. So once you install the plugin, you will see that icon here, and you can hover it and see that. Once you click that, it will open up the home screen. I have already configured it, that's why I'm seeing this screen directly. But if you are new to the screen, you will see a button that lets you configure it, which clicking on that button will open this screen. So here you can customize some of the things. For example, you can choose your display name. By default, it will take your first name from your Gmail ID, but you can customize it according to your wish. And the default sync interval for is 1 hour, and you can also change it to whatever the time you want. And you would also see all the calendars, all the team calendars, all the shared calendar that you have access to, and you can choose what are the calendar you want your out of events to get synced. So these are the settings I have done it. I'm even though I have 4 different calendars, I have access to 4 different calendars. I have chosen these two, and then I can save it. After that, you just configure it once. Maybe when you move to a different team, you might have to configure it once again to sync it to the new calendar and things like that. But after that, once you do that, you don't have to open this add-on ever again. It just works in the background automatically. So how it works is, let's say tomorrow I'm going to mark myself as absent for 4 to 6 p.m. And since this is my personal account, I only see the event and task. But if you have Google Workspace, then you would also see out of office event, separate out of office event as well, and it works perfectly fine with that. But you can also do that here. You can also do if you want a particular thing to get into the team calendar, you just have to create an event with OOO. And this is for 2 hours, and I can also mark myself completely absent for a given day. And after that, based on your configuration interval, this tool automatically runs in the background. But if you want, you can also manually sync it. So both of them do the same thing. And for this demo, I'm going to do the synchronization manually. Let me click the sync now button. So once it do this, what happens is it actually look for the changed events, and it will read the out of office events manually, and it would add them to the team drive. And yeah, you would get those events in the calendar automatically. And it works the reverse way, the other way around also. If you no longer if you want to, if you cancel your leave plan or something, you can just delete the event from your personal calendar, and the sync automatically removes that as well. And let me initiate the sync manually, which would remove those 2 events in a second. or I can just refresh the page and see. Yeah, there you go. You no longer see those event now. Thank you.